Hi, John Reynolds with Brickform Products, and today we're going to talk about Neutra. Neutra is a cleaning and neutralizing agent engineered for use on acid and reactive stained floors prior to sealing. It is used to remove light oil, grease, or other types of soils from colored, imprinted, and natural concrete surfaces. It is pH neutral and used to neutralize acids and acid stains. It comes in 1 gallon bottles in a concentrated formula. 4 ounces of Neutra to 1 gallon of water will provide 150 to 200 square feet of coverage. Apply Neutra with a brush, broom, or sprayer and allow the product to dwell for 1 to 2 minutes. Scrub with a brush or rotary floor buffer and a black or medium abrasiveness pad. Rinse with clean water and remove the residue with a vacuum or a pressure washer. For more information on Brickform Neutra and for our technical information sheet, please visit our website at brickform.com.